So the Xiaomi 17T Pro is finally here, and I've spent a bit of time going through what it actually offers. And yeah, this is very much a classic flagship killer move from Xiaomi. Starting at around $899, or roughly R17,800, the headline feature is definitely that massive 7,000 mAh battery. In real use, that's easily a 1.5 to 2 day phone, and it also supports 100W fast charging, which is kind of wild at this price. The display is a 6.83-inch 1.5K AMOLED panel, super bright at up to 3,500 nits, with a smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. Honestly, it's one of those screens you can actually see properly outdoors. Performance is handled by the Dimensity 9500 chip, and it feels like it can handle pretty much anything you throw at it without breaking a sweat. Camera-wise, the Leica-tuned 5x periscope zoom is the standout, especially for long-range shots. It runs HyperOS based on Android 16, with solid long-term update support. So is it worth it? If you want battery life and zoom power without paying ultra-flagship prices, yes. If you already own last year's model, though, this is more of a side grade than a must upgrade.